Alright everyone, we're going to go over now how to save and send your file for your Pixel animation to me so that I can grade you for this. So if you're in the Pixel program here, you want to make sure that before you send your file to me, you click the Save button. So remember, on the left-hand side here, the Save button is the third one down in the middle. Click that and then click Save to your gallery just to make sure anything that you did today is saved. And then after you've saved it, right underneath the Save button is the Export button. So you're going to click Export. And then inside of Export here, there's a little bar that says Scale. If your scale is all the way down here, and most of you should have maybe like a 32 by 32 scale, that's a little bit too small. We want to bring this scale up until you see the numbers change to about 400. The reason why we have to change the scale is because when you send me your file, we want it to be pretty big, a big animation, and not a really teeny tiny animation. So once I've scaled that up to at least 400 by 400, I'm going to come down here and click the Upload button. When you click Upload, there might be a little bit of a loading screen here. So as soon as that's done loading, you should see a link right here, and that's your animation link. So you're going to click on your animation link, and in a new tab here, you just opened up your animation. So what you're going to do is take the link and copy it and send it to me. So you just want to click on this bar up here, and it should highlight your link in blue. You can come up and click Edit Copy on your menu. If you don't have Edit Copy on your menu for some reason, you can click on your keyboard Command C, and that should copy your link. Okay, so once you've copied your link, you have to go to a new tab here, and then you have to go to Google. So I'm just going to type in google.com. Okay, once I'm in Google, you're going to sign into your Google Drive. So the icon right up here should be your account. If it's not, you want to click on this and sign into your account. So once you've signed in, you can then click this little grid, and you can go to your mail. You're just going to send me a little mail message with your link in it. So you're going to click Compose right over here, and this little box will pop up, and you're going to type my email in the To area right here. So you're just going to type my email, which is nbuettner at ccsd89.org. You should see my picture pop up right here. This email is also on your worksheet, so if you can't remember my email, just look at the worksheet, the packet. You can put in the subject just pixel animation or whatever you like. And then down here below is where you're going to copy your link. To copy your link, you can just click Command V, and that should copy your whole link there. Or you can go up to Edit Paste. Okay, so once you have your whole link added in this email, you just need to click Send, and it should send to me. So I'm going to collect all your emails and all your links. So you can kind of see here some students have already sent me their email links. And if I click on it, I can see, let's go back here. If I click on your email link, I can see your pixel animation in a new browser here. Okay? All right, so let's finish up and save and send our animation link.